yeah, my package from Daniel, and it's big. Yeah, it's marked as fragile because it's big. Yeah, it's even on the box. My name, Claire Decor.
Apa yung tuloy mo? Aka to?
Really? Wow.
Hiwi na ko.
Well,
Nahiwi na ko kay. Naglihok-lihok ko.
He's a legit seller, so go buy one. Buy around. Even has nice quality. Wow. Really big.
Na free stickers.
Na other kind.
Free sticker. Dagan daw.
What's up?
Ako ng cartoon na.
Ayaw, ako ano eh. Okay, open.
Ayaw, no!
Fast forward naman eh. Man, so big.
Yan ang hini mo.
And
Wood ni?
Wow. Here are the stickers.
Tingnan ka daghan.
Oh, daghan mo ni.
Ngit-ngit lagi ni.
Wow, ato yun ang
Rainbow fingerboard.
another Rebel, Mackenzie, Rebel, MFI, Rebel, MFI, Mackenzie. Well, ipadapling sa nato. Oh my God! OMG, kada ko. See the craftsmanship. Underneath is this foam. So yeah, thank you so much for the awesome packaging. And yeah, go buy some ramps from Daniel Suarez, if I pronounce his family name right. It's, oh my God, it's so smooth. It's so smooth. It opens it. OMG, it's so smooth, man. It's so big. It's so big. It's so big. So yeah, that's it. Meet my dog, my puppy. That's it. Thanks for watching.